beautiful late model Mustang here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2024 Ford Mustang GT Coupe. One owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car at 3,309 miles on the odometer is all at the moment. Gen 4 Coyote, 5-liter, 480 horse, V8 underneath the hood. 6-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the front fascia, grille, headlights, of course, nice shape. Rapid red metallic with onyx black interior. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Vented hood. And yes, this paint looks as good in person as it does the pictures and the videos. Almost looks like it's wet, freshly polished. Wheels 18 by 8.5, black painted aluminum. Continental radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side, and you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. What you'd expect in a one-owner, low-mile, clean Carfax car. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you want to see exactly how this car was equipped from Ford when it was produced new, check out the still pictures. I'll have a copy of the window sticker in with the pictures so you can see that also. Of course, dual exhaust. Does have the 355 ratio, limited slip rear end. UniqueClassicCars.com is where all those still pictures are. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, just like the rest of our classics. And of course, Jason will take this for a drive at the end of the video, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. As we look down this driver's side, again, you can see really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. If you like these late model sports cars, maybe just Mustangs in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. If you're into cars in general, fun site to watch. These videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. We're going to have a little dinging going on here for a bit, but of course your modern amenities, power windows, power mirrors, power locks. This would have heated seat, black onyx cloth, and the seats they're like new. Let me show you something too. If I get back away from, there's the true color. Certain colors will wash out when I get right on top of them, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. How that looks gray, that is not gray. That's getting washed out in the camera. Right there is your true color. So don't let that deceive you, possibly in the pictures or the videos. It's just kind of a lighting and a camera issue that's a little tough to deal with. Of course, you have your instrument cluster screen, and then you have your stack screen in the center. Driver controls. Again, all your late model amenities, and check out the window sticker if you want to know exactly how this car is equipped. For now, let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Push button start, of course. Good sounding cars. Close the door, and if you can see the miles right down there, you should see 33,000. Excuse me, 3,300, 3,309.0 at the moment. So 3,309 actual miles. Of course, your climate control and everything on the screen. The rest of your controls down below. Traction control. This has to do with lighting. Defrost. Something else that I want to show you on this is it does come with a camera installed that will record. I believe you have to put your SD card in there, and that will record when it's being driven, and different settings and different options on there. Kind of safety for your vehicle, insurance in case of an accident, or maybe when it's parked in all lot, what have you. Let's listen. I've not really noticed any modifications on this car. Nice sounding 5-liter. Of course, has a little bark to it when it's under acceleration or under throttle. Let me pause this a second. Of course, we want to pop this hood, check out that engine bay, and then, like I said a little earlier, stick around the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. There's a good look at the underside of the vented hood. Hood liner nice and clean. That dual snorkel Gen 4 Coyote. And remember that 6-speed manual transmission. Fun one to drive. And barely broke in. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. 2024 Ford Mustang GT Coupe, 1 owner, clean Carfax, 3,309 miles. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2024 Ford Mustang with a 6-speed manual transmission and a lovely exhaust note. Of course, everything is working on this car. It is pretty much new. A fun car to drive hard and get the accelerations going. Let's put her in 6th. Nice smooth riding Mustang, good acceleration.
Means the world to us.
Stereo sounds good in this car. I'm doing 57 miles an hour at about 1500 RPM. Nice and low in that 6th gear. We've got hand steering wheel controls. Cloth bucket seats, which I gotta say, I like them better than leather. I don't know if I'm the only one. How about you? You can't stick to cloth. Vinyl and leather get a little hot in the summertime sometimes. Digital screen showing our gauges, and they're all working as they should, including the coolant. The fuel gauge is showing 3/4 of a tank. The engine coolant temperature is a little over half. Corners very nicely, as a new car should. Very responsive and tight. Take a look at all the pictures of this Ford Mustang at UniqueClassicCars.com.